At Williams Creek Management, our longtime philosophy has been to rebuild our natural world. And we're fortunate that we have a large number of committed and dedicated team members. And while our focus is on water and water quality, because of our commitment to improving our natural world, therefore improving quality of life of everyone who is near or around one of our projects, we've been successful at growing it into a sustainable business and one that doesn't sacrifice profits over people and one that doesn't sacrifice profits over ecology. And so for us, that triple bottom line approach has created a organization of longevity and an organization of retention, significant valued commitment to our clients. We hire here and bring new team members on board that are looking for a real career, not just a job. I believe that we've been successful in attracting and retaining those people that can buy into our value set, that understands what we're trying to accomplish. And it's not just profit over people. It is the true intersection of profit, people, and ecology. And that has led us to building a successful team of dedicated folks that I think, are going to be here for a while. One of the benchmarks we use is a 80% retention rate. That's in an industry that carries a 35% retention rate. And I'm happy to say that for the last 4 years, we're sitting at about 84% retention. And I think that's a testament to the fact that we actually follow through and do what we say we're going to do as it relates to creating a family here at Williams Creek.